Math test. What to the power 9 on 2 is equals to 3 on 2 to the power 9. Solve in 15 seconds. Okay, I'm going to call this t. That is t to the power 9 on 2 will be equals to 3 on 2, all this to the power 9. Okay, since we are looking for the value of t here, we are going to use our log. That is the log of t to the power 9 on 2 will be equals to the log of 3 on 2 to the power 9. That is 9 on 2 times the log of t will be equals to 9 times the log of 3 on 2. Okay, we can cancel this 9 and this 9. So we have half times the log of t will be equals to the log of 3 on 2. Okay, so we have the log of t to the power half will be equals here to the log of 3 on 2. So the exponential, we're going to apply the exponential both sides. That is the exponential of log to the power log of t to the power half will be equals here to the exponential of log of 3 on 2. Okay, then at this level we know that the exponential of the log of a is equal to a. This means that at this level we have t to the power half will be equals to 3 on 2. That is t to the power half squared will be equals to 3 on 2 squared. So at this level we have t will be equals to 3 squared divided by 2 squared. That is t will be equals to 9 divided by 4. So this is the value of t we are looking for.